Jackie, this is nasty. I'm single. We can't put this on the internet. Oh my god. What?
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to Clevver Style. As you guys can see, I'm in Drew's apartment. So we actually just filmed another video together. But what Drew doesn't know is we're actually filming another video today. I'm trying to be quiet because it's kind of a surprise. Uh-oh, I got
Who are you talking to? Hi people, what are we doing? We just finished the video. Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to Clevver and all of our viewers. So we're doing another video. Do you remember that one time we went through each other's purses?
And we ain't going through my purse again, Jackie.
This is what I'm looking for. Bruh, put it on your head. Put it on your head.
We're not going through purses again. We're gonna go through each other's cars. And I'm honestly mortified, just like I was mortified in the first video, maybe more.
You're willingly doing this? You knew this?
And I didn't clean out my car or anything. Like, I was like, it's gonna be real and raw and...
I'm single, we can't put this on the internet.
So, I guess we'll start off with me first.
Yeah, let's do yours first. Let me warm up. Let's go. I'm taking over now. Surprise video. Let's go to Jackie's car. Okay, since Jackie had the brilliant idea to go through our cars to reveal to the world, I thought we should start with yours and pop open your trunk. Let's see what you got in here.
Okay.
Let's start with the handy dandy pillow.
Nick's mom visits in town and she got pillows to go to the beach. And I thought that was the weirdest thing, but surprising enough, pillows are very comfortable to lie down with at the beach. So these are my beach pillows.
I know what you're saying. You're so smart.
We got this jacket, which I feel like has had a lot of life.
Yes.
Jackie's had this jacket for years.
I really have.
For years.
For years.
It's not even your jacket. It's like your friend's jacket.
Yeah, it's Nick's best friend's jacket.
Let's see.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
What is
oh
that?
No! It's horrific. Oh no! Don't open it.
What is it? Jackie, what in the world? You guys, who is that?
Come on. Seriously, come on, what? Who is that?
Medieval times. Everybody's gone to that restaurant with their families.
Jackie, whose body is that?
I was like 12 years old in this photo and they put me on this like 30-year-old woman's body. I have breasts at age 12. Look at my face.
This is
Look at my face.
gold. Hey, baby. You're taking the crate out of the trunk first.
This is Layla's dog crate. We'll get that out of the way. There's nothing really juicy in here, but it is messy. Oh my gosh, so many cute clothes.
You didn't even know what's back there.
Wait a minute, this is cute.
She has this
combustible
tie.
tie. That probably shouldn't be in the trunk.
It seems like a normal thing to have people do their laundry. These shorts, you've been looking for these for years?
Ew, look at the crotch. That's not from me, that's from the tie.
That's from the tie, you can clearly see.
Yeah, whatever you say.
Okay, so now we are inside the car where I feel like we could do some serious Jackie, this is nasty. First of all, the dog's hair is it's everywhere. You see this dog drool? Look at the, oh my god.
Wait, I can't believe everybody's seeing this.
Oh my lord, Jackie, it's drool everywhere. Why she got so much saliva in her mouth?
Don't come for me until you have a damn German Shepherd.
You got a parking ticket.
I did. I paid it off.
It's paid. It is empty. Okay. You got a full. Oh, I can't even.
My skateboard! Nick gave me that for one of my birthdays, and of course it has Texas on it. Represent.
Aww.
Show the camera. It was one of like the first gifts that he got for me.
It's missing a wheel.
Yeah, he needs to fix that. He broke it, of course.
You got some party streamers.
Yeah, you know, because you gotta have a good time in your car these days.
These are cool.
Thank you.
I like these sunglasses.
Yeah, put them on. They might look really cool on you.
They seem a little, they're a little sticky.
Film.
So I'm gonna have you put them on.
Yeah, actually, there's hair growing on.
I wouldn't want you to put on anything that's in my car. Those are cute, dude. Far out.
I think that's it, Drew.
That's my Postmates order.
I think it's your turn.
Is it my turn?
Yeah, I think the humiliation for me is over.
I guess we're gonna move over.
I'm actually very excited to see what's in your heart because you haven't spent a lot of time in it recently.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide.
Okay!
This is my car!
I love that you still have your college car and there's so many memories, I'm sure.
This is the thing, you guys, I haven't opened this trunk since college.
Seriously?
I'm not kidding. Okay.
Let's pop this baby open.
Oh, you need my keys.
She's trying to stall. Wow! Oh my gosh, there's so much in here.
I'm not even gonna look.
I don't know where to start. There's so much.
Oh, that's my college yearbook.
Oh my gosh, wait, there's college yearbooks? They give out college yearbooks?
But nobody looks at them.
Oh my god! Whose stocking is this?
That was my stocking in my college dorm. I would use this again.
Didn't you wear this recently, this dress?
Oh my god, this dress has a lot of life. So my prom dress, my homecoming dress, my wore this to Clevver a few times.
Yeah.
Wait, what is this? What is this?
Oh my god, you guys, okay, so wait, my college roommate, Jordan, she drew that for me because I used to drink carrot juice like it was water in college, so
She just drew what? As a gift?
shout out to Jordan.
Oh my god.
Dude, this looks old school. 2009.
So you guys, so I am a huge Michael Jackson fan, so I kept a lot of memorabilia, obviously, and this is a newspaper from the after he died. Damn it, why does it look so old?
It looks like it's from like the 1900s.
73.
I feel like I'm about to like go on an adventure. I'm like,
Is that a tire? Oh my god,
this is a Michael Jackson.
The Thriller jacket.
This needs to come out.
Oh my god, but it's like a costume Thriller jacket.
So what? It's Halloween. Hold on, I'm so excited.
Oh, I know exactly what that is. Okay, so it's a poster of
It's a Band-Aid
What am
holding
I-
it together. Why is there a Band-Aid?
It's a poster of one of my favorite movies called Beyond the Lights. The director, Gina Prince Bythewood, came to my school, and that is the moment I discovered Machine Gun Kelly.
Oh,
in
no
that
way.
movie.
That was the inception of your love
Yes.
for him?
That's damn near married, girl.
All right, well, this was fun.
Let's move into the inside of the car,
there's
though.
so much more.
There is so much more. We gotta do a part 2. Oh my god.
Is this your cell phone in college?
Yes. Wait, get closer. That's insane.
Look.
But show the actual phone. Look how old that is.
Yeah, that's like the old school one. We gotta pack all this up and go inside our car because we're losing light
Losing
outside.
light. Okay, welcome to the inside of my car. I'm not as nervous as I thought I was gonna be. It's not as disgusting as I thought.
Excuse me, she gave me so much crap, and if you guys could like see the inside of her car, it is just as messy as mine is.
It's definitely just as messy. I think the slobber and the fur added to like the ugh, you know?
It's drool everywhere.
Okay, where to even start? This is adorable. It's a mini. Why do you have a waffle maker in your car? And is it a heart shape?
Yeah.
That's adorable.
I got it for a Clevver video. I think it was for our Valentine's Day episode, and I just never took it inside.
That's cute.
Look how cute. This is like easy bake oven.
Yeah. I would need a light to find the stuff in your car since you don't have a light. That's the issue.
My light in my car is broken, along with a lot of other things. Ooh, those are cute.
They're yours.
I didn't know they were in there.
Very cute.
Cute. What is mini? Oh my god. If you've never seen what iPods look like, this is the iPod Nano. Those are cute.
These are yours.
I didn't know they were in here.
You need to clean out your car. Okay, in the back seat.
Look at that ass though. Look at that ass. Look at that ass. Look, the whole car is shaking.
Oh my god. Oh my. Where was
was I?
God.
Where was I?
Jackie, where were you? It's the Christmas party at Defy. You had to be there somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't it cute?
This is a look.
When we do videos where we like dress each other as each other, it's like so frustrating because you're buying all these clothes in your style for someone else you don't get to keep. So like sometimes we just give it back to each other because we're like, this is your style, so work.
Can I have this?
Absolutely not.
It's like Spice Girls.
Oh my god, I remember those shoes. Why did I stop
You used to wear
wearing
those all the
them?
time. I remember you wearing them.
What? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Just put my hand down to touch and it was his hair. I just wasn't expecting
I got more bundles
I
than
still don't know what it is. Is it bundles? Yeah. This is what I saw. So I looked down and I just see this. And I thought it was like a human head or an animal.
Jackie, you scared the hell out of me. I for real
Well,
thought that
with
was like
you,
a
I
rat.
put my hand in this and I looked down and I see this in the dark. So of course I was scared. Of course I screamed.
Oh my god, I've been looking for those ears for forever.
When did you go to Disneyland?
I mean, those are my old ones from like my childhood.
Oh God!
What?
You have hair in all of like the worst corners.
Can we just
in every pocket of your car?
Well, honestly, that was, Jackie, you know, you surprised me, and I'm not mad at it. I'm really not mad at it.
We have maxed out our time together today, and it was totally worth it.
It was totally worth it, you guys. Let us know in the comment section below what you thought about our little car tours, what video we should do next, either the built-in an outfit from the clothes in your car one, or the going through each other's phones. So many more videos. Jack Attack, I missed you.
I miss you too, Drew Dorsey.
You guys, videos together. Let us know. Comment section below.